bought this private jet, and whichever one of these 100 pilots wins this video keeps it.
For the first challenge, the pilots all split up into 3 teams.
No way I'm going home.
To be the first team to pull their 40,000-pound plane across the finish line.
3, 2, 1, go!
And whichever one of these 3 teams moves on will also have to withstand the force of these massive jet engines and win an endurance challenge so intense.
He passed out. Somebody call an ambulance.
We shut down an entire city for 24 hours. But first, we need to see which one of these 3 teams crosses the finish line first.
It's not gonna keep going! Keep going!
Almost there.
He's still handling brute force in this! They're pulling ahead! They're going so fast!
You don't win until the plane crosses the finish line.
Oh! We had our winners! You guys did it! That's our jet! I think it's on my orders.
While 2/3 of the pilots were just eliminated,
One of these pilots is winning that private jet!
these pilots are 4 challenges away from winning this $2.4 million private jet.
Welcome to game number 2, Jet Spinner! Start the engine!
This ain't good. I don't like it.
Here we go, the plane is getting started.
Inject the fuel, baby.
The private jet you're competing for is ramping up its thrusters to produce 60-mile-per-hour winds. The jet will then begin to rotate in a circle in an attempt to blow each of you off your platform.
Oh, this is insane.
Did not come this far to go home.
I'm so scared right now.
Good luck, everybody!
Here it comes.
Oh, we have our first elimination, 1 down!
I want that jet!
No way I'm gonna let this jet take me out.
I might pee myself.
Never in my life did I think being a pilot I'd be worried about a jet blast.
Too well! Bye-bye!
Oh man, it's coming.
All right, let's see if he falls! 46, hold on! He's doing it! Hold on! You did it! You're moving on!
That's a great technique.
Quickly, the pilots saw what to do, and more importantly, what not to do, by watching the others go before them.
Okay, so the winning strategy is sideways, not like this. The people that are staying on are like this.
They're locked in!
Even though the pilots were picking up on the strategy, some still weren't strong enough to hold on.
Another one!
All I'm saying is if number 40 goes down, I'm going down. We built the exact same. That wasn't nothing to me. I got it.
It's actually really ironic because
What you're competing for is literally what's eliminating you.
they are dropping one by one.
Oh, there goes another one!
And despite having perfect technique, this pilot, who literally played in the NFL, couldn't stay on.
The big muscle couldn't do it!
I was gonna say he's a brick wall, but clearly not.
And by the end of this challenge,
You got it! All right, well, never mind. That was really fast.
the jet managed to eliminate a total of 15 pilots.
Some of the hardest competitors that I was the most worried about just got eliminated.
Congratulations to the 19 of you for moving on!
It's going to take more than this jet blasting me in the face to knock me off.
I feel bad for some of the people here, but it's got to get done.
This is the beginning of something
I
great.
was expecting it to just kind of blow me a little bit. It just hit me in the chest like a sail, and I couldn't catch it from there.
Let's
so.
head over to the next game.
And in this video, we took over the city of Riyadh, Saudi Arabia, where there are still 3 more challenges these pilots will have to compete in to win the multi-million-dollar jet.
For challenge 3, we're going 10,000 feet in the air. Follow me, pilot. I need you all to pick a captain. Samuel volunteered in the beginning. I say we give it to Samuel. Samuel is gonna pick one of you to go 1v1 against.
Samuel, out of these 19 briefcases,
Pick a number.
number 8, 10 of these briefcases say jump, meaning you skydive and move on to the next game. The rest are elimination. All right, Samuel is going to look inside the briefcase. And Andre is going to decide steal or no steal.
What's in the briefcase?
Jump!
You saying it's jump.
It's a jump.
Okay, Andre, steal or no steal?
You know what? I believe you. Jimmy, I'm taking the briefcase.
If it says jump, you're moving on.
Yeah!
Let's see it.
He's moving on to the top 10. And a reminder, reminder, the next game is all the way on the ground, so you have to jump. 3, 2, 1. To the next game. At first, people were honest, which meant that the people deciding whether to steal had all the power.
It's a jump.
Until you're skydive.
He told you!
It's eliminate. But listen, I really want to say.
No, let's take it.
Why are you guys telling the truth?
And because he also refused to lie,
I'll not say anything.
Vander gave away 2 jumps before being eliminated himself.
Why would you not lie?
Pilot's got integrity.
There are 6 eliminations and 6 jumps to the next challenge left. However, Brett came up with a strategy after he watched one of our previous videos.
Since the YouTuber's video, I had this plan. This is what I would do in this situation.
Do you trust this man?
I do.
It's eliminate.
Promise?
You promised that in here is eliminate.
I can put my trust in you, so I'm gonna let you have it.
Oh! He got him! He got him!
It turns out that in this game, lying pays off. And now that one person has lied, it's become a lot harder for the pilots to trust each other.
Says jump.
No, I think you're lying to me. I'm gonna let you keep it.
If you read Andrew. No! It says jump!
Sometimes it pays to tell the truth.
Because the remaining spots were slowly dwindling away, the pilots had to decide what is their integrity worth.
I want to be the good person in aviation and not tell lies, not rob people for their money, and I'm a person of integrity.
I believe that.
I would like for you to steal it.
All right.
So
Well,
this is an eliminate.
no steal.
Oh! Wait, the story works!
That doesn't sound like good integrity.
Whoa! Colby, what are you saying there?
I'm just saying.
Let's go!
I can't believe that someone claimed to have so much integrity and it was all just a farce and that he lied right through his teeth.
There's only 3 jumps, but 6 eliminates left. And the odds only kept getting worse.
It says jump.
I'll take it.
Oh, it says jump!
I'm not gonna steal it.
No steal.
Oh my God! Bring him out of parachute, and to you, gentlemen, I'm gonna state the obvious. Only one of you is now moving on.
Because out of the 6 remaining briefcases, only 1 jump remains.
What is it?
I'm gonna let you pick.
Sorry. No steal.
Oh, eliminate.
4 eliminations left, but only 1 jump remains.
All right, what'd you see?
It's a jump.
You're saying this is the last jump.
The last one.
Okay, can I trust you?
I'm telling the truth, Jimmy.
Steal or no steal?
No steal.
No steal. All right. Holy crap.
If Eddie's telling the truth, everyone else will be eliminated.
He was telling the truth. He was telling you the truth.
Now that all 10 jumps have been taken, it's time to see why these contestants were jumping out of a cargo plane. That's because this next challenge is taking place in one of the most unlikely locations you'd ever find a jet, the middle of the biggest freeway of Riyadh, the biggest city of Saudi Arabia.
So the entire city can watch it in real time. Gentlemen, raise a hand. Put that hand on the jet. Last one of you to take your hand off this $2 million jet keeps it. Woo! The game has officially started. If you raise your hand, you're out. You want to raise it?
Nah.
How long you lasting?
We'll see. I'll be the last one. As long as it takes until I pass out.
Until you pass out.
This is gonna be like hours.
Days.
Could be.
Before I decided to do this video, moving a jet through the city was logistically impossible. But
We've spent months planning this route where the plane barely fits within the light poles on the street. Hey driver, be careful of my jet! The plane is so wide that we literally have to turn signs on the street so it can fit by. All right, keep coming. I mean, look how little space we're working with here. This is crazy.
and as we cleared the path for the plane, it seemed like we had the entire city's attention.
Hello, how you guys doing? Hey, nice to meet you guys. How's it going?
Mr. Beast, what are you doing?
One of these guys is winning a jet. Look how many people are over there filming us.
With thousands of people filming us generating millions of views on TikTok, we officially took over the city of Riyadh.
I'm gonna win it! Save this video! What's it like having cars literally drive by on the road while you're doing this?
This is crazy. It's like free entertainment.
This is gonna last so long.
Hey guys, how you doing?
This would go on all day, and we could have driven through the entire city of Riyadh before anyone got out. So it was time to take the difficulty up to the next level.
I have an announcement, pilots. Come to the side of the plane. To make it harder, stop the truck. They need to come down the plane without taking their hand off and choose a spot. You guys are gonna be walking with a wing.
I might be regretting not wearing shoes, but I got them dogs. Oh, here we go. Oh, here we go.
Don't trip on each other.
All right, how was that speed?
I used to run marathons, man, so the walk isn't even a factor for me.
All right, this is a little too easy. Let's drive faster.
I think we need to turn it up a few notches.
We could take this to a sprint, Jimmy. Nothing's gonna happen to me.
Let's go a little faster. On a scale of 1 to 10, how exhausted are you guys?
They all just got so quiet because they're trying to focus on breathing. Because they've been running for the last 5 minutes. It's definitely getting harder for them because I keep seeing hands getting adjusted.
How's everyone feeling?
Amazing.
It looks like the back row struggled a little bit.
My hand slipped.
I've got out. Oh, we got someone out. Hey, slow the plane. Match, slow the plane.
I cannot believe that.
What happened?
My hand just slipped off.
Anything you want to say to your boys?
Yeah, keep after it. That was hard, so you all deserve it.
I just feel bad for Graham, man. I don't want any of us to get out, but unfortunately that's part of the game.
I don't think I've ever run that much in a tie. That sweat gets you, huh?
Running in the desert heat definitely took its toll. So some of the pilots got creative.
People always wonder, how do they change clothes? They definitely fake the video. This is how. Notice how he's moving his fingers through the sleeve. There you go, I'll take it. Every time we don't show this, all the comments are like, fake, fake, fake. The video's not fake.
It's real, guys. It's real.
Before we start going again, I have an offer.
Here we go.
All right, let's hear it. Drink match, bring it in.
This is heavy, boys.
Oh my God.
Mystery briefcases?
Oh no, they're not mystery. Inside these briefcases is $50,000
Oh my God.
to the next one of you to take your hand off the jet. I'm gone. Okay, he's gone. Here's your $50,000. There we go, baby.
You're wasting no time, brother.
I got a family, a career. These young guns, they got a lot ahead of them. They deserve it. I'm gonna give them a shot.
Bye, Joseph. Bye, boys. I love you.
That's another one down. Let's keep moving this plane.
Come on up. We're filming a video. What up? Do you guys watch the channel? Yeah.
I want to show you guys this theme park that I just opened. We opened an entire theme park where you can compete in challenges inspired by our most popular videos and have a chance at the largest prize wall of any theme park if you have what it takes.
Check out Beastland, Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. Okay, have fun. Let's go back to filming. Oh, let me not run into them. I'm gonna let you guys dictate the speed. If majority of you say faster, we'll speed this John up. Who wants it faster? Just one?
Yeah, let's speed it up.
That's 2v6.
I need a majority.
Come on, guys, let's just get someone.
All right. And I'm down. I'm gonna speed it up.
Okay, that's 3.
They're about to let go. That's what they're saying now.
Yeah, that's exactly right.
Just know the slower we are, the longer you're gonna be walking here.
You're not gonna run? You gonna run? I'm not running. I'm good.
Saad, I know you can take it.
I don't mind, but I don't want to.
We're not running.
If we start running, if someone gets out quickly, it's gonna save more energy for the people that are still in.
That's what I'm saying. If you know you're not cracking, run so there's somebody over there who's
Sound like you
about to
crack, bro. No. Why would I want to run if I'm gonna crack?
Come on, guys. Let's run, guys. If we run, it's better. It's shorter.
I'm gonna be honest with you. I don't think I have a whole lot more in me.
Somebody over there is weak. It's cool, bro.
Dude, I literally can't. Like, my hands is, yeah. I'm gonna try it. I'm running.
Hate to break it to y'all, but you can go faster.
Okay, that's a majority. Speed it up.
We're speeding up.
Lock in, guys. Lock in.
I slipped.
What happened?
My hand just slipped right off
You
me.
just couldn't keep it up?
Yeah.
With Andrew's elimination, 7 pilots remained. But by this point, we had already driven through the entire city of Riyadh. So we loaded everyone onto the trailer to rest while keeping their hand on the jet as we traveled elsewhere to finish the challenge.
Guys, does this look familiar? Yeah. Last time you were here, you were with 100 pilots pulling planes. You guys are very stubborn. Because you refuse to take your hand off this jet, I brought out a button. Each time you press it, a challenge will go into effect that will make things harder. And it will stay in effect until someone gets out.
What do you guys think?
Anyone can press it. It's that simple. Oh, you didn't want to talk it through?
Man, I want to press the button. I'm trying to get this.
Challenge number 1 is you can no longer sit.
What?
And instead of a hand, you can only use a finger.
God.
This finger will give me the jet.
It's gonna be this thumb, just like this, and hold this as much as I want.
The thumb is just short and strong. It's pretty nice.
I need you to switch to one finger. Remove all other fingers and all other body parts from the plane.
If any of you guys put your finger down and get out, it's nothing to be ashamed of.
You can do it then, bro.
Good job, man. You can do it. Good job.
It's been 13, 14, 15 hours. The sun is coming up.
All of us will be so proud of you. Just remove your finger.
You have 3 daughters, man.
I swear to God, I will remove your finger. I had to press that button, man.
Why?
You're making me angry.
I'm trying to get everybody out.
All right, we are now going to put a red square that your finger has to sit in. And if it touches the square, you'll be eliminated.
And it's boring, Jimmy.
You're bro, I just put the squares down.
This is fine.
Oh gosh.
Dude, honestly.
Sorry, boys.
Keeping all the current rules, you'll also have to stand on one foot.
This is the one that'll get some folks.
Raise your leg! They're now standing on one foot, and if that foot touches the ground, they will be eliminated. But these might be some of the most stubborn contestants we've ever had. They are not giving up.
Because this $2.4 million jet could change their lives. These pilots are fighting for their ambitions.
I gotta get that jet and start my charter business.
They're fighting for their families.
Oh my God. I did it for my daughters.
And their lifelong dreams.
Me and my wife, the only way for us to have kids is through IVF. This is gonna help that.
How are you feeling?
I'm feeling good.
Your hand is shaking.
My hand is shaking.
How much longer do you have?
I have all it takes.
All it takes?
All it takes until I pass out.
I don't know if Samuel realizes it, but he is so close to touching the ground. It looks like Brett is noticing the same thing. Wait, did his foot just touch the ground?
All right, contestants. It looks like we made...
You pass out. You pass out.
You all right?
All right. I can sit up.
Obviously, someone's out. The rest of you, revert back to the original rules. Don't take your hand off, but you can rest.
What happened? You black? You passed
Literally
out.
just like white. Like just saw white and fell. Ugh, that sucks.
I know, because you were a warrior, too.
That's our jet! Oh!
Seems like you were going to go the distance.
I thought I was. I think I took Bobby out. I don't think he should be out because I fell on him.
Yeah, I mean, we'd have to review it.
Here's the clip if you guys want to see it. He clearly pulled your rope, which pulled your thumb off. So Bobby is still in, but literally right before he passed out, someone else's foot touched the ground, and one of you is also eliminated. Whose foot is this right here?
That's mine, yeah.
You are eliminated.
And Brett, even though Samuel's foot dropped first, your hand completely came off the jet. So your elimination is still valid.
Hopefully this helps a little bit. Going forward, everyone who gets out will be getting $10,000. You guys have been on this plane way too long. Here you go. We're not gonna let you go home empty-handed.
I'll take it. I'll take it.
Only 5 remain, one of which gonna win this multi-million-dollar jet. Now's probably a good time to mention that I have a really fun twist when only 3 of you are left. But don't worry, I'll explain it when there's 3.
I'm so exhausted. It's been more than 22 hours awake.
I want to sleep, but I can't.
Brett pushed himself to literally passing out. I can't imagine that.
That's a different mind state.
Yeah, if I'm gonna be ready for that challenge, I need to get some sleep.
The goal is to let everybody sleep before you, because sleep is a dangerous thing. You have no control if you're sleeping. You're unconscious, literally.
What I'm doing is like using this as like a rest.
Oh my God. It's bothering me. I cannot. It's not comfy at all. Imagine that I'm gonna lose 2.5 million because I fall asleep.
Like I said, sleeping is gonna be your worst nightmare.
I messed up.
Between us, when you woke up, I think I saw the hand, you know. I'm gonna have to go watch some footage.
Gotcha.
Yo, Bobby.
What's up?
I think I'm going home, boy.
Huh?
I think I might have picked up my hand.
How can you do this to me, man?
That's the thing about exhaustion. You never mean for it to catch up to you, but oftentimes, you don't even know that it already has.
Bobby, what's going on?
Hey, sorry.
Bob.
What happened?
I don't even know. I don't know. I don't know.
Did you just raise your hand?
I don't know. I don't know what I did. God. Lose focus for 1 second, you're done. That's what happened.
Congratulations on making it to the top 3. You will remember earlier, I said when we get to the final 3, there would be a twist. We are going to start a 1-hour timer, and you will have that 1 hour to figure out who is going to win this jet. And at the end of that 1 hour, if more than one of you has their hand on this plane, no one gets it.
Whoa!
Be smart. Think about it.
Keep in mind that you could pick a person or a game, but any of you could just lie and not take your hand off the jet.
Okay, gentlemen, start the timer! It's up to you to figure out who should become a multi-millionaire
And who does not.
Who do you guys think deserves the jet most?
All of us will.
All of us deserve this jet.
First place! First place! Oh! Yeah! Let's go! I gotta go!
It wasn't easy. No one can say it easy.
I've got no quit in me. None.
My hand is shaking.
Your feet are shaking. How much longer do you have?
Until I pass out.
What we can do is make up a challenge, and whoever wins that challenge is the winner.
How do you find a game that's fair for all
For
three
all
of you?
3 of us. Right.
Let's do some jumps and somebody see who jumps the highest.
Now you're thinking about the thing that suits you.
Excuse me? How does that suit me more than it suits any of you guys?
Because you choose it without asking us.
Yeah.
I'm sure there's a game we can find that 3 of us will agree to play.
For me, I don't think I'm gonna do anything physical. I'm so tired.
Let's have a quiz. That's not physical.
I would want maybe Jimmy to put 3 cases. One of them has the jet.
So you're proposing I grab 3 boxes, one has a jet or a ticket in it, the other 2 are empty, and you guys randomly select.
We're not getting anywhere if we're not talking about something that's skill-based. We're not getting anywhere.
For me, I prefer something based on luck.
You're a grown man and you want another grown man to gift you something. You're just looking for a handout.
You could get the jet as well.
I want to walk away knowing I earned this jet, not that it was gifted to me by luck.
And it's not gonna be skilled, by the way.
We're just wasting time. The time's just going away.
We told you what we want. You're disagreeing with that.
I'm not gonna play any game based on.
So that
strength.
means you don't believe in yourself. That's
yes,
exactly
yes.
what you...
I don't mind.
Stop,
I don't
stop,
mind.
stop.
You
stop,
are not
stop.
telling me what.
God, stop bickering. At this rate, I don't think anyone's winning this jet.
I'm gonna tell you something. This guy, he was thinking about his family. He told me that he wanna have kids. He was trying to do this for like 5 years.
So if you win, you would sell the plane and use that so you can finally have kids.
A firm, yes.
Oh my gosh.
Amazing. I did it for my daughters. I did it for my daughters.
I gotta get that jet and start my charter business. That's my goal.
Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it.
Oh, wait. We're making progress. Wait, what are we doing? Do you guys want me to go get 3 briefcases?
I'm sorry. It's not going to be based off luck.
Oh my God.
So you changed your mind?
I want to compete, bro.
Half the time has now gone by. At the rate you're going, none of you's winning. Right here, no obligation, just some briefcases. 2 might be empty, 1 might have a golden ticket in it, but it's up to you if you want to use them. Maybe you guys separate for a few minutes and cool off and then get back together. You guys are not making any progress. What is
Bro, it's like you're talking to a wall. What's happening?
I don't think I'm being unreasonable at all. We've all been through the same thing. Let's compete.
I'm sure 100% if we play any game and he lose, he will not remove his hands.
I don't think he will take off his hand
If he lost.
if he lost.
I mean, he did lie in the skydiving challenge.
I want to be the good person in aviation and not tell lies. And I'm a person of integrity.
I believe that.
Says stay.
No steal.
We came and we worked hard all the way to get to this point, and we're gonna lose.
Let's do a quiz.
He's coming up with quizzes.
Hey, see that plane flying over? That could be one of you in 15 minutes. If you figure out how to work together, if you stop arguing and agree, one of you can win this jet. At the rate you're going, none of you's getting it. You all wasted this time.
All right. This is my briefcase.
Saud.
Grab your briefcase. This is mine.
So, is this your briefcase?
Grown men don't want to compete. They just want to be gifted the airplane. I don't believe in that.
I got another thing. If you open the case and yours is empty, would you take off your hand?
If you think this video we filmed in Riyadh was crazy, it's nothing compared to what's coming soon. Beast Games Season 2, Strong versus Smart. The challenges are bigger.
Oh my God!
The twists are crazier. And the stakes are unreal. We literally shot the final 2 episodes right here in Riyadh. And someone walked away with $5 or maybe $10 million. You just have to watch and find out. Beast Games Season 2 drops January 7th only on Prime Video.
Would you take off your hand?
Yes.
Will you take off your hand?
I will take.
Do you want to open your case?
I want to try to find something else. This is my last resort. How do you feel as a grown man saying,
It's not your business.
Let me win?
It's not your business.
I can't even fathom that.
I don't care.
Gentlemen, I just wanted to bring this into frame. You have a little over 10 minutes, and at the rate you're going, none of you are winning this jet.
What's wrong with them showing a list of airplanes and we guess which airplanes they are?
Give up, man.
This is coming down to the wire. Seriously, no one is going to win this jet.
So you guys wouldn't think it's fair to guess some airplanes?
Jabari, let's shake our hand. Come on, take it, or we lose it.
All right. I heard your story. If you got it, I wouldn't be upset at all. I'd be very happy.
Time is ticking. There's really not much time left.
1, 2, 3.
He got it. The golden ticket.
You got it.
He actually got it.
Let's go.
Luck.
They don't have to take their hands off, though. It is up to them. All that stands between you and that jet is their decision. They've held on for over a day. Will they finally let go? You guys have seconds left. Make a decision.
We will. Yeah.
Oh my gosh, they honored it. They honored it. You just won this private jet.
Sorry, man.
You can take your hand up because it's yours. It's yours now. Congrats on the brand new jet. We're gonna give them each $20,000. You guys earned it.
This is my brand new jet. Let's go.
It is his jet. Hey, and if you guys aren't subscribed, do it right now.
एक नई सी लगती है हर रात मेरी आँखों में मैं तेरी जगती है तेरी बातों में दुनिया से दूर हो जाता हूँ तेरी बातों में दुनिया से दूर हो जाता हूँ तेरे साथ जिंदगी एक नई सी लगती से हर गम को भुला पाता हूँ। तू चाहे जब हवा भी गीत गाने लगता है। तेरे बिन मेरी सांस भी रुक रुक जाती है। तू हो तो हर पल मैं खुद को पाता हूँ। तेरी छोटी बातों में प्यार का जादू है। महकता तेरी खुशबू मेरे पास रहता है। तू मेरी रूह का नूर है। मेरी धड़कने को प्यार देती है। तुझसे ही तो मेरी दुनिया होती है। तेरे हाथ पकड़ कर चलना मेरी आदत बन जाता है। हर लम्हा तेरे साथ एक दुआ सी हो जाए। हर लम्हा तेरे साथ एक दुआ रहता है। भी ठहर जाता है। तुम्हारी आँखों में खोया हूँ मैं, ये जहाँ सुना लगता है। हवाओं में भी तुम्हारे खुशबू रोज मुझे छू जाती है। दिल के शीशे पर तुम्हारी मुस्कुराहट सजी है। तुम पास हो तो लगता है रात बड़ी महसूस है। तुम दूर हो तो लगता है जिंदगी कुछ अधूरी सी। तुम्हारी बातों का जादू दिल को बेकाबू करती है। तुम्हारे हाथ का एहसास मेरी रूह तक उतर जाती है। मैं तुम्हें हर पल चाहूं अरमां है दिल की। तुम मिल जाओ बस एक बार तो हर दर्द का इलाज गलियों में तुम सपनों की मेहमान बन के हो दिल की गली में तुम सपनों की मेहमान बन के हो तुमसे ही खुशबू आए मेरे हर लम्हे में तुमसे ही आँखों में चमक मेरे सपनों में तुमसे ही खुशबू आए हर लम्हे में तुम चलो तो मैं खुद को भी भूल जाऊं तुम्हारा एक मुस्कुराना ही काफी हो जाए जैसे क्यों तू मेरी शाम का चैन सुबह का उजाला तुम बिना हूँ मैं जैसे एक अधूरा सा तारा तुम्हारा साथ ही हर गम मिटाता हूँ तुम्हारी बाहों में आता हूँ तो डर सब मिल जाता है तुम्हारे साथ जीवन है कहानी बन जाता है तुम मेरी रूह की आवाज़ मेरे दिल का सार तुमसे ही मेरे चेहरे पे रहता प्यार का उजागर तुम्हारी एक छोटी बात भी दिन बना देता मेरा तुमसे ही मेरी सारी दुनिया हो पूरी
দাদা
One, two, three.
দোকানে বন্ধ নিতে কি দেবো 10 টাকা
Three.
হ্যাপি বার্থডে
Three.
Wow!
Three. হবে না এদিকে তাকান এদিকে
Wow!
Three.
এখানে আমার কোন কাজ আছে?
না না আপনি দেখে রাখবেন,
আপনার টানি নিয়ে আসবো।
দেখে রাখবেন।
ভালো না এটা দিয়ে ভালো উঠতেছে তুমি ভালো উঠুক না উঠুক দাঁড়ান 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 দেখেন এদিকে দেখেন Happy birthday Happy birthday Happy birthday, Shirundara. Oh, happy birthday to you. Alinda bondu এখন এটা শুনছো আরেকটা আছে Wow, wow. Yes, Dada.
ক্যামেরায় তাকাবেন না।
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
এটা খুলে দাও তো। এটা এটা। দাও তুমি দাও। জ্বালান ওটা কি একটা জ্বালান
হচ্ছে হাতে হাত দিয়ে ধরো ধরো সমস্যা নেই ধরো ধরো খাওয়া দেবে ছবি তুলো হবে
ছবি তুলনা
দাদা ঢুকাই আর দিয়ে বলবেন
দাঁড়ান দাঁড়ান আপনি দিবেন দাদাও দিবে তালে দাও তালে দাও One, two, three. Action.
লোকটা এই পাশে তো মাটিয়ে আপনি কি করে
তুমি দাও
আজকে সুমন লাগে আজকে কিভাবে আমার সাথে কি আমি
One, two, three. Action.
অল্প করে নিবেন বেশি করে নিবেন কি করবো বুঝতে লাগবে
রমানাথ যাও
না তবে বল ওরে আমার মাথার ব্যাগে হয়নি তো তুলা তুমি তুলতে দাও না ভিডিও
সবই
আমার হাতে শান্ত হইবা শান্ত গেলেন শান্ত আচ্ছা যাবে না আচ্ছা খাবো সময় লাগা আস্তে 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 আসবো আস্তে খাবো আস্তে সিজন মতো কাকু আন্দ্রা এইদিক ক্যামেরা আমার দুর্গুলোকে বুঝছেন এই পাশে এদিক ক্যামেরা ধরেন আগরে হ্যাঁ মানে একটু লাগিয়ে দিচ্ছি গালে হালকা এটা হচ্ছে আস্তে আস্তে খান, আস্তে আস্তে খান, আস্তে আস্তে খান। সুন্দর আছে, সুন্দর হয়ে গেছে তো নাকি? খাওয়া তুমি গিফটগুলো দিয়ে আস্তে আস্তে বাকি খাওয়া দিন এত কোনো চিহ্ন নেই রে। ওকে দাও আরেকটু খাওয়া লাগবে না, খাওয়া খালি দিয়ে